Welcome back to week 2 of Netelixir's biggest holiday challenge. As you are aware, Prime Day is just around the corner. On September 27th, Amazon announced that Prime Day will be taking place on October 13th and the 14th, with deals starting as early as midnight Pacific Standard Time. Our retailers have reached out for insights around Prime Day, and Netelixir, as always, is helping to share our key findings and data. So let's get started. My name is Heather Dessette, and I'm Netelixir's Event Marketing Manager. Joining me today to answer your Prime Day holiday questions is no other than Netelixir's founder and CEO, Udane Bose. So Udane, how will the Amazon Prime Day impact the holiday shopping season?
Thanks for the question, Heather. It's a very interesting one, and I am pretty sure it is top of everyone's mind now. We believe the Prime Day this year will really lead to an early start to the holiday shopping season, about 2 to 3 weeks earlier than normally it has been in the prior years. We have tried to quantify some of the impact and just look at some of the prior years as well. Last year, I think, as you can see, the online sales during Prime Day was about 70% higher compared to 2018. So which just shows as to how much clout Prime Day really has. We will be sharing the estimate for this year as well, and we would believe it will actually outdo even 2019 Prime Day. eMarketer really has come up with their forecast or their estimate, and they are estimating the online sales during Prime Day to be around $10 billion worldwide, out of which about $6.7 billion would be only the US Prime Day impact e-commerce sales or online sales. 59% of the consumers really believed, per Retail Me Not, they found better deals on Prime Day than Black Friday, which I think is a big statement as to what is the perception, what is the consumer sentiment of the perception around Prime Day, and how strong of deals will consumers get. We believe this year, I think that percentage may go up even further. The fourth very specific instance that I really wanted to share with everyone was the product search impressions on Google increased by 25% year on year last year as well. Now, this is interesting considering that it very clearly shows the impact which Prime Day has not just on Amazon, but also on the other channels. So we can really call it almost like a rub-on effect of Prime Day, essentially on not just beyond Amazon, onto search engines or onto social media channels, etc. And last but not the least, this was a very interesting stat from Google that Prime Day actually was the #3 highest query demand day for Google last year as well. We believe that it will sort of still retain its position as the one of the top 3 highest query demand days for Google this year as well. Having said that, we have come up with a set of recommendations for retailers also, just to get them to prep and be ready for the Prime Day this year. The first recommendation would be you have to be visible not just on Amazon, but also on search engines and social media channels. This takes into account the point that I mentioned in my previous slide, where I said that there is a massive rub-on effect, which very clearly Prime Day would have. So we would very strongly recommend that you be visible on as many channels as possible. The second one is more through an experience that we really have been able to gain this learning or gain this insight, that one of the struggles which a lot of businesses really face, primarily the mid-sized businesses and smaller businesses, is they tend to advertise and really go into aggressive promotion for all the products. Now, we would recommend really not taking your eyes off the profit and clearly focusing on select categories that you really want to go after and really do aggressive promotion rather than going all out. The third recommendation we have is obviously almost seems like a no-brainer, but we believe that there would be multiple instances of product stockouts or inventory stockouts, however you really want to call it, during Prime Day. Just ensure that you have adequate inventory for both FBA, which is fulfillment by Amazon, as well as direct fulfillment as well. It will play a very critical role. I mean, if you don't have products available, you can't really obviously maximize the opportunity which will come your way during Prime Day. The fourth one is getting creative with your promotions. Now, understandably, you are competing with some huge companies with massive advertising spends and promotional spends. So you really have to get very creative with your promotional offers. Maybe exclusive offers. You may really want to have some deal previews as well. You may want to think about Prime Day only pricing, Prime Day only on almost like a micro site within your website, etc. And last but not the least, flash sales as well. And finally, our final recommendation would be, we believe this Prime Day, roughly around 75% of all the traffic would really come from mobile devices. We would strongly recommend you're going mobile first, and also making it very easy for the consumers to shop. So remove all the shopping frictions or shopping barriers for your consumers, so that they can really shop easily and without any friction as such. I'll just sort of end this section, Heather, with our prediction or estimate in terms of online sales impact of Prime Day. We are estimating at Netlixer that the online sales will increase by upwards of 90% year on year this Prime Day. Now, as I had shared earlier, it was 70% year on year last year. We believe that this year, because of the very clear uncertainty which really prevails because of the pandemic, we believe that percentage would go up even further. Thank you very much.
All right, thank you so much, Udane, and happy Prime Day to all of our retailers. If you have not done so, be sure to subscribe to Netlixer's YouTube channel. You can also keep up with the biggest holiday challenge other retailers are facing as we navigate through this uncertain holiday season by going to netlixer.com/biggest holiday challenge.